Now I think this Defender commercial looks absolutely superb. I think it's the colour, so it's Tasman blue, 3 litre, 250 brake horsepower, hard top commercial with all the urban styling. And I just think in Tasman blue, you can't even order a commercial in that colour anymore. If you try and order one from Land Rover, you can't order one in that colour. And I think it works because the colour suits it being a commercial, but then you've got that styling. So we've got urban badging. We've got the urban badge on the inserts on the grille. You've got that huge front gloss black front canards at the front, which run right the way underneath. Then you've got the extended arches, raised bonnet vents, pod lights, gloss black side air intakes there as well. You've then got the mud flaps, the 22-inch urban wheels. It just looks superb. You've then got all the gloss black styling around the rear, spare wheel cover, urban automotive, rear spoiler, gloss black, rear bumper, big mud flaps. You've then got the clear lights as well, so then you've got a real good look from the rear, and then you've got that load space with it being the commercial. It's also got some lovely extras inside, but I just think the Tasman blue with all that urban styling suits that car tremendously well. It's done delivery miles, you've got 3 years Land Rover warranty and assist, it's VAT qualifying, buy it, put it through your business, but have something that looks special. Keyless entry, so press the button, it's all keyless entry. You've then got your 2 seats. It's different with it having the walnut finish along the centre. You've got the centre armrest. It's got the cold climate package, so we've got heated steering wheel, heated washer jets. You've got heated seats, you've got cruise control, automatic lights, automatic wipers. I'll show you the pod lights. So there's 2 little buttons for them. I'll just show you them on. And there you have it. I think the centre armrest, especially in a commercial, is very important. If you're a smoker, it's got a thing called a smoker's package. It's got a little ashtray there, and it's even got a lighter. If you're not a smoker, it's never been used, so don't worry, it's brand new. You've then got your 360 camera, which is superb. Your seats, you've got your heated seats in the front, there isn't back seats. And then you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay, your Alexa, your driver assistance, automatic lights, digital dash. So it's a 2-seater commercial. It's got the little things. I think a lot of our commercial customers love a heated steering wheel because I think in winter it's a lovely thing to have if you're out and you're working. But this particular one looks superb for me, with it being Tasman blue and with all that styling. How good does it look from the outside? It's going live on our website. If you want to get it reserved, you can call me direct. Thank you for watching.